Enhanced fields allow users of any technical ability to add their own fields to Dynamics NAV without modifying the table itself. Starting from the Role Center, we'll navigate to the item list. On the right-hand side, you'll notice the Enhanced Information fact box. This is where we keep all of our file attachments, enhanced fields, etc. against a record. You'll notice that once we press Enhanced Fields, the fact box expands and we can see any enhanced fields that have been marked as Show on Fact Box. Here we're going to add one called Season. You can create lots of enhanced fields of different types. Once you've specified a type, you can define a source type. For example, calculated, etc., etc. For our season example, we'll specify Pick from List. We can then press the Pick from List button in the ribbon and define the list we want our users to pick from. Notice that this enhanced field is already set to Show on Fact Box and Fast Tab. Next, we're going to create one more for inventory value. In this case, we'll use a type of decimal and source type of calculated. Now we can specify our formula, which in this case is inventory multiplied by unit price. Reopening the Enhanced Field section, we can see our fields have been added. If we open the item card, we can see that they have also been added to the Enhanced Fields Fast tab. If you like what you see or have any questions at all of our contact details can be found on our website www.thenavpeople.com.